Welcome to the Forum Motors channel, where we bring you the latest insights, reviews, and updates on cars and bikes from around the world. Today we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Alto, a compact hatchback that has made a strong comeback with new features, better styling, and enhanced performance. The Suzuki Alto has always been a favorite in the entry-level car segment due to its affordability and fuel efficiency. With the 2025 model, Suzuki has tried to elevate the experience while keeping it budget-friendly. The new Suzuki Alto 2025 comes with a refreshed exterior design that looks more refined and modern. It features a slightly more aggressive front grille, sleeker headlamps, and subtle character lines on the side profile that give it a more dynamic look. The compact dimensions remain the same, making it ideal for city driving and easy parking in tight spaces. The rear design has also been updated with redesigned tail lamps and a cleaner overall finish. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto is powered by a small yet efficient 660cc or 1.0L petrol engine depending on the market. The engine is tuned for better fuel economy and smoother performance. With either a 5-speed manual transmission or an automatic gearbox option, the car is suitable for both new and experienced drivers. Suzuki claims improved mileage figures this year, which should appeal to those looking for an economical daily driver. It also has reduced CO2 emissions, which helps in meeting stricter environmental regulations. Inside the cabin, the new Alto gets a slight upgrade in terms of materials and layout. The dashboard has a cleaner and more modern design. While the interior remains basic compared to premium cars, Suzuki has added a few features to make it more comfortable and user-friendly. Depending on the variant, the Alto 2025 now comes with a touchscreen infotainment system, USB connectivity, Bluetooth, and steering-mounted audio controls. The instrument cluster is easy to read and features a digital mid to keep the driver informed about fuel efficiency, trip data, and maintenance reminders. The seats in the Alto 2025 are designed for comfort during city commutes and short highway drives. The fabric upholstery and ergonomically placed controls make it a user-friendly car. Space remains decent for a small hatchback, with enough headroom and legroom for 4 adults. The boot space is also practical for day-to-day shopping or light luggage. Suzuki has worked on the noise insulation too, and the cabin feels slightly quieter than the previous model. On the safety front, Suzuki has added more value by including features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure. Higher variants may even get electronic stability control and hill assist, depending on the market. This makes the Alto 2025 not just an affordable option but also a safer one for small families and first-time car buyers. Driving the 2025 Suzuki Alto feels light and easy, perfect for navigating through busy urban streets. The steering is responsive, and the suspension is tuned to handle rough patches and speed bumps commonly found in city roads. While the car is not meant for high-speed performance, it offers a balanced and comfortable driving experience within its segment. The lightweight structure also contributes to its fuel-saving ability and nimble handling. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Alto remains a solid choice in the entry-level hatchback category. It brings improvements in design, features, fuel economy, and safety without deviating from its core strengths of affordability and simplicity.